The anvil assembly is a major component of your impact wrench. It includes the anvil, the friction ring, and the O-ring. It is the piece that the socket is attached to. The hammer strikes the anvil, creating the torque to secure or remove fasteners. Over time, the anvil can wear, both where the hammer strikes it and where the socket attaches. Replacing the anvil assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front gear case. I'll remove the anvil from the gear case. Now I'll install the anvil onto the gearbox. I'll make sure I offset the ears on the anvil with the hammers on the gearbox. And I'll reinstall the gear case, sliding it over the handle and aligning it with the housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to replace the anvil assembly in your impact wrench. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.